it, and the calculator goes negative, and you put the wrong negative in there. Instead of the little negative, you put the subtraction symbol, and then the computer blows up, and then you blow up, and then you want to quit school. So R is equal to P over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus, hold on. I don't like doing that because it's getting all cluttered up, and I don't like doing that. There we go. All right. I flip this, so that'd be 1 plus I to the n power, and that's over I. And that bottom part is like that. Or, can I multiply P times the reciprocal of this? Yes, you could. And that would be P times, the reciprocal of this is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus I to the n power. So that's another way of doing it. You could either take P and divide it by this, or you can take P and multiply it by this. Either way, it doesn't matter, but I like to use the positive n power. I do not like to use this right here. I don't like to use it. All right, so we're going to take this guy, and we're going to copy him, and we're going to move him over to the next page. And I'm just going to take the example that they give us in the book right quick. Let me find it. Let's take this guy. Let's take this. Yep. Okay, so let's say instead of a camper, let's say that you buy a car. Okay? Just forget about the camper, just say a car. And it's $24,000. You can buy, I don't know, I haven't bought a new car in so long. I guess a $24,000 car would be like a little sedan. You know, Taurus sedan or something like that. Something that's kind of not expensive but not cheap, but it's kind of in the middle. I don't know how much a new car is now, so I may be talking out my wood. All right, so you purchase a camper trailer for $24,000. After a down payment of $4,000, the balance will be paid off in 36 equal monthly payments. All right, 36 equal monthly payments is important. 36 monthly payments. Now, let me ask you something. What is the payments going to be based on? The years that you what? Finance it. All right? So I'm financing this one for how long? 3 years. 3 times 12 is 36. So 3 years at what? 4.5 interest. So that's going to be .045. 0.045 is going to be our rate, or I don't know what they call it, probably I don't know what they call it because they're changing variables on me. I think that's equal to the I, but we'll get to that in just a minute. So we've got this, and we've got this, and you purchase a camper trailer, but you, after a down payment of what?
$4,000.
So how much are we actually, now the way I'm reading this is, you purchase a camper for $24,000, you pay $4,000, so how much? $20,000. All right, so there's your numbers that you have to work with. The I, there probably is saying R over N, but just hold on, let me check, because I've never seen them use I before. Usually it's R over N. Where is my handy dandy? There it is. I is equal, yeah, R over N. Change I to R over N, or say I is equal to R over N. Okay, it makes life a whole lot easier. And NT, or 36, they give you 36. Okay, I was right. I just want to make sure. Sometimes they use that. All right. So, and did they use, they did use 20,000. I'll make sure. Should be 20,000. Or do they want to undo the whole thing? No? Yeah, 20,000 right there. Okay, just want to make sure I was reading it correctly. Because sometimes I don't read it correctly. All right. So here we go. Let's plug each other. So 1 plus, this is going to be what? We know our N is equal to 36, right? So this is going to be R over N. I'll get it. Which is 0.045 divided by 36. Somebody take 0.045. Well, I'll just do it in the calculator right quick. 0.045 divided by 36 is equal to that number right there. So that's I. All right? Everybody got that? All right? And what are we going to do to it? We're going to add it to what? 1. We're going to raise that to the 36 what? Power. Now I've just done this denominator. Right? Now I've got to put it over under what? 1 divided by that number. Is that number right there. And 1 minus that number is equal to that. And then that number, put -1 under that number, would be a positive, but I ain't worried about that. So -1 divided by inverse answer is equal to that number, and multiply that by 20,000. Is that what we got? 572 what? Dollars a month. Everybody with me? That's your payment. $572 a month. Now how many months we got it for?
36.
Times 36. And that's equal to $20,597. Did I get that right? Let me make sure. Yeah, times 36. Let's see what we got so far. I got 594. I must have done something. No, I got 572. I must have done something wrong. Let's see that quick.
Next time.
Okay. Let's see what they got with. Did I not get 0.33? Let me try that again. 0.045 divided by 36. Nope. 0.045 divided by 12. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Where did I get 36? I thought you. Okay, my bad. It must be I is equal to R over N, not R over NT. I did R over NT. I'm sorry. So that would be 0.045 divided by 12 is equal to, okay, my bad. Let me go back to my formula. Okay, now, that's plus 1 equals raised to the what? 36 power. And then I'm going to subtract that. 1 minus inverse answer is that, negative, and 1 divided by inverse answer should be positive. 1 divided by, somebody take, oh, I didn't divide negative. Okay, still 6.9. And then 6.9 6.932 multiplied by 20,000. And subtract 20,000. Now you know why I'm not a banker. I can't get it to come out. I'll have to, it's getting close to the end of the class anyway. Basically, what do you end up, what's the total interest that you paid for the car? $1,417 is what you paid. Now that's pretty good. If you ever tried doing this with a credit card, you will get sick. But I gotta figure out what I messed up. See, I'm not used to dealing with that I. I'm used to dealing with N over T. All right, y'all get on out of here. Let me go and roll right quick. I'm sorry. I ran out of time too early. Let's go with, I think we're probably talking about tests probably toward the end of the week. Because the only thing I've got to cover now, since I've covered delay, decay and interest, the only thing I've got to even think about is graphing, which we already can do that with the graphing calculator.
So when you think homework's gonna be due?
Huh?
So like when you think homework's gonna be doing stuff?
I'm sorry, what?
When you think homework's gonna be doing stuff?
Probably the end of the weekend or something like that. Y'all should be doing it anyway, so it shouldn't be that big a deal. Anderson's here. Barron?
Here.
Borth? Crane?
Here.
Crenshaw? DeVore?
Here.
Evans? Fisher? Hall? Keller's here. Lynn's here. Moore? Nix? Pace is here. Page was here. Okay. Where is Pahela? What is Pahela? Pahela. Where's Pahela? Where is he at? Pruitt's here. Sabb's here. Sloger was here. Stone. Walton.
Here.
Woods. No Woods. See ya.
Hey, old board,
Yeah.
she had to leave early. Her husband.
I saw.
had issues.
I saw her leave. I didn't know there was something wrong.
Yeah, she had like a bad asthma attack and she had to take him to the hospital.
I figured something was wrong. Okay. Well, I'm glad you told me because I know she was here. I just wanted to make sure. Okay. I'll fix it.
Or
Yes. Got it. Oh man, I gotta redo that problem.